Welcome to Research and Theory in Healthcare. I'm excited to guide you through this adventure into the world of healthcare research. Over the next few minutes, I'll give you a quick overview of what to expect in this course. It is designed as an 8-week exploration of research methodology in healthcare. Being self-paced, you can engage with the material at a time that works best for you. We'll focus heavily on developing your critical analysis skills when reading research literature. By the end of our journey, you'll be able to develop a research plan addressing real healthcare questions. Everything you learn will serve as essential building blocks for evidence-based practice in your professional career. You'll complete self-reflective writing assignments that help connect course material to your own understanding and practice. The course is designed for progressive skill building, with each week building on previous knowledge. You'll develop research critique skills through guided practice. To get the most out of each week, follow this consistent pattern. First, watch all the micro-lecture videos for the week to understand the core concepts. Then, practice your research evaluation skills through the guided activities and examples provided. Finally, apply what you've learned through reflective writing assignments that connect theory to practice. This consistent approach will help reinforce your learning and build your research competency week by week.